It's time to learn! Welcome to Haika Kids! Let's have fun!
5 little colorful ducks by the lake so blue. In the green, green valley, quack, quack, too. One swam off to play, then there were 4. 4 little colorful ducks splashing happily. One went diving, then there were 3. 3 little colorful ducks. One went home, then there were 2. 2 little colorful ducks resting in the sun.
Quack, quack, quack.
5 little colorful ducks back by the lake.
That was fun! Like, share, and subscribe! Ring that bell. See you soon! Bye!